what we have for you today is the Jabra PanaCast 20. This is a very high-end webcam, and as you can see here, it states 4K AI-powered 4K Ultra HD video, secure edge AI processing, blah blah blah, portable. So that is something that we're gonna explore, and at the back here we don't really have much details on what this webcam is all about. So it also states here that it has intelligent lighting optimization, again 4K intelligent zoom, picture-in-picture, plug and play, and works seamlessly across all devices and platforms. So let's unbox it and try it out, and I will also show you the Jabra software to see what this PanaCast 20 can do. So the unboxing experience is fairly simple. We just unleash this sleeve here, unsheath, and then tells you to download the free Jabra Direct software so you can personalize your settings and then update the firmware of this camera, and also register to get 20% off for your next Jabra purchase. And once we open it up, this thing comes in this hard shell case. That is the first point when it comes to portability, so I'm just gonna put this aside for now. And then we can see the overall build of this webcam is very simple. LED at the front, camera lens, microphone, foldable clip, and also a privacy cover. So yeah, they also boast their sustainability commitment, printed with 100% recyclable material and also sustainable water-based ink. Gonna put all of this here for now, and then this hard shell case, when we unzip it and open it up, what we get is just two things. The first one is a very long USB Type A to Type C cable. I'm not sure if Jabra includes a Type C to C version for this, but this is what we have. And also this is a very high quality Type A to Type C cable. It's thick, and then it doesn't fray because this part here that goes into the cable is very long and also sturdy. And this is a USB 3.0 Type A cable. So yeah, this is rather rare to get such a long Type A 3.0 cable in the box as well. I'm just gonna leave it in here because I have my own USB 3.0 Type A cable. And then this is the PanaCast 20. That's it. This is the webcam itself. The overall construction, this entire webcam is made out of metal. As you can hear, I'm knocking on this, and then you can hear the metal sound as well. And the privacy shutter is located at the bottom here, so you slide in and out to reveal the camera. Simple as that. And then at the bottom here, we got a standard 1/4-20" tripod mount. So if you have a tiny little tripod in your room or your house, so you can just mount this on a tripod as well. USB Type-C cable goes in here at the back, and at the top here we can also see some grooves here. This is actually a heat sink because this webcam can get really warm, and then there's a little slit here to tell you that there's a microphone here, and another one more microphone here. So to mount this on your monitor or your laptop is very simple. So you just open this up, and you don't have to worry about it scratching your devices because there's a rubber pad around this side and also around this side as well. So I'm just gonna use this laptop and I'm gonna plug it in. So Type A cable plugs into the laptop, and then Type C cable goes up here. Then this whole clip goes here, adjust a little bit, and there it is. The PanaCast 20 has mounted. So now we got everything set up, and as you can see here, the PanaCast 20 has been mounted to this laptop here. The angle is not flattering, but bear with us because we are just gonna do this as a showcase anyway. And the PanaCast 20's app, which is the Jabra Direct app. So we can do a lot more camera setting. I'm just gonna disable intelligent zoom now because I have enabled it previously, and as you can see here, this is the original field of view of the entire camera lens. It's really wide, and the reason is you should use it with the intelligent zoom. So if I enable intelligent zoom, You can see it zooms into my face, and if I move it like this, it will follow me left and right. And then picture in picture is to do this, so I don't know why it lets me see myself. So yeah, you can only enable either intelligent zoom or picture in picture at the same time, so that's it. And then we can also manually control the zoom level here or reset, and then we can also create this, move left and right, and then save it as a preset 1, save to preset 1. Then the next time I'm clicking preset 1, I will straight away zoom to that level. So technically the whole software part is very simple to use, and it looks like a remote control even though it doesn't come with one. I think it should, because it would be much easier to control all the software anyway. And then image quality is where we get a lot more things to play with. So we can see here brightness, so this is to adjust the exposure. This is too bright, I'm just gonna make it go back down to 118. This looks okay. And then we also have another option here called Vivid HDR, so if I turn this on, the colors should change, but I'm currently using OBS to record, so maybe OBS didn't pick that up. And then contrast, which is to adjust the contrast, and then saturation and also sharpness of the camera. Okay, and then there's also another option to adjust the white balance. I'm just gonna leave it in auto because auto white balance, it looks really good, right? Currently this background here is slightly green and you can still see it, so white balance is doing a real good job. And then for the device settings part, we can set a few more things. For example, video flickering, so we can either make it 60 Hz or 50 Hz. If you're using this kind of incandescent indoor lighting, you might be able to see the flickering happening, so this is to reduce that. Field of view, you can adjust it. 90 degrees is by default, but you can go all the way to 45 degrees. I'll just show you some of the B-rolls here. And so for the microphones, I'm just gonna enable here and then show you the test audio quality. This is the microphone quality of the Jabra PanaCast 20, and currently I'm recording at 1080p resolution with intelligent zoom turned on. And lastly, we also have the product information. Technically, there's really nothing much to talk about it here. It's just some information about this PanaCast 20, firmware version and part number. So you can also register this product to your account, your Jabra account if you want to, but that's about it. So overall, the PanaCast 20, this is a high-end webcam after all. It does have a lot of features. Maybe if you want to use it for streaming, you can do that as well. It's also very compact, by the way. However, this webcam isn't available for sale for general consumers, and the price of this webcam is something that you will need to ask Jabra directly for the quotes, because it's meant for enterprises and corporations. If you want to buy it a la carte, then as far as I can find, it's like 1,600 ringgit. And after you've done with your, let's just say your video conferencing or your meeting or whatever you want to record, what you need to do is just plug it out, collapse everything, and once again you are back to this small webcam. You can just fit it back inside this slot on the case here. By the way, this case holds the PanaCast 20 properly because there's a ridge. Put it in, close it. There you go. This is the PanaCast 20. Overall, I think this is a fantastic webcam, but it depends on your use case. If you see yourself using this webcam, then go ahead. I'll leave all of the links on how to get them in the description below. Check that out, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video.